Yo, my name is Harry and I'm gonna teach you how to do the demon voice. And just so you know, the actual name of the sound is inward bass. And I'm gonna teach you how to do it right now.
So first step, you have to learn the chest bass, which is this sound. To do it, just sigh. Use more air, like do it stronger. Do it lower. Until you hear the vibration, which is the chest bass. After you get the chest bass, just do it, then breathe in. Breathe faster. Until you hear the vibration when you breathe in, which is the inward bass. If you still can't get it, check out this video where I share a secret trick that I use to get my inward bass.